12 Powerful health benefits of eating pumpkin seeds daily. If you love the crunch of tiny seeds, you probably already appreciate the mighty pumpkin seed. These small yet powerful seeds are nutritional powerhouses, often overlooked despite their extensive health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pumpkin seeds are more than just a snack. They're a versatile superfood. From improving heart health to promoting better sleep, let's uncover the science-backed reasons to include pumpkin seeds in your diet daily. 1. Heart health. Pumpkin seeds are champions of heart health, primarily due to their magnesium content. A single ounce provides about 156 milligrams, roughly 40% of the daily recommended intake. Magnesium regulates blood pressure, maintains heart rhythm, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting the heart from inflammation and arterial plaque buildup. Pumpkin seeds also contain amino acids like arginine, which promotes nitric oxide production. This compound expands blood vessels, improves circulation, and reduces the risk of clots. The omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in these seeds further enhance heart health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol and boosting good HDL cholesterol levels. 2. Improved sleep. Struggling with sleep? Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that supports better sleep. Once ingested, tryptophan converts into serotonin, a calming neurotransmitter, and then into melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep regulation. While you'd need a significant quantity to reach therapeutic levels, a bedtime snack of pumpkin seeds can still improve sleep quality when paired with other tryptophan-rich foods. 3. Prostate health. Pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial for men's health, especially prostate health. High in zinc, these seeds help maintain testosterone levels and prevent excessive conversion to dihydrotestosterone, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. Studies have shown that pumpkin seed oil can alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, improving urination and reducing discomfort. 4. Better bone health. Many Western diets lack magnesium, a mineral crucial for bone health. Pumpkin seeds supply a rich dose of magnesium, which supports bone formation by influencing the activity of osteoblasts and osteoclasts. Magnesium also aids vitamin D conversion, improving calcium absorption. With additional bone-friendly minerals like phosphorus and manganese, pumpkin seeds can help prevent osteoporosis and fractures. 5. Improved bladder function. Pumpkin seeds' high phytoestrogen and omega-3 content may reduce inflammation in the bladder tissue, easing conditions like interstitial cystitis. These seeds also act as a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins and preventing bladder stones. Zinc in pumpkin seeds strengthens bladder muscles, enhancing urinary control and reducing incontinence symptoms. 6. Weight management. For those aiming to manage weight, pumpkin seeds are a perfect ally. Their high fiber content expands in the stomach, promoting fullness and curbing appetite. Meanwhile, the protein in pumpkin seeds boosts metabolism, as the body expends more energy digesting protein than fats or carbs. A small serving can help regulate hunger, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 7. Boosted immune system. Zinc, iron, and vitamin E in pumpkin seeds play pivotal roles in immune function. Zinc supports the production of white blood cells that combat infections, while iron aids in creating T cells, which regulate immune responses. Antioxidants like vitamin E protect immune cells from oxidative stress, ensuring their optimal performance. The phenolic compounds in pumpkin seeds further enhance immunity by reducing inflammation and strengthening the body's defenses. 8. Skin health. Pumpkin seeds are a boon for your skin. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids maintain the skin's lipid barrier, ensuring hydration and protection against environmental damage. Zinc promotes collagen production and accelerates skin repair, preventing premature aging. With antioxidants like vitamin E combating oxidative stress, pumpkin seeds can improve skin elasticity and reduce inflammation, keeping your skin radiant and youthful. 9. Improved digestion. Rich in dietary fiber, pumpkin seeds support digestive health. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut, aiding nutrient absorption and prolonging satiety, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation. Magnesium in pumpkin seeds relaxes digestive tract muscles, reducing gastrointestinal discomfort and ensuring smoother digestion. 10. Diabetes management. Magnesium's role in blood sugar regulation makes pumpkin seeds a valuable snack for diabetes management. By improving insulin sensitivity, magnesium aids in stabilizing blood glucose levels. Additionally, the fiber content in pumpkin seeds slows sugar absorption into the bloodstream, preventing post-meal spikes. Studies have shown that including pumpkin seeds in meals can lead to better blood sugar control. 11. Liver health. Healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential nutrients in pumpkin seeds promote liver health. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids reduce liver inflammation, while antioxidants like vitamin E and selenium combat oxidative stress. By protecting liver cells and aiding detoxification, pumpkin seeds can help prevent fatty liver disease and support overall liver function. 12. Hair growth. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral essential for hair growth and scalp health. Zinc supports protein and collagen production, strengthening hair follicles and preventing dandruff. Additionally, L-arginine in pumpkin seeds boosts blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring hair receives adequate nutrients and oxygen. Studies indicate that regular consumption of pumpkin seed oil can significantly improve hair density. How to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet. Snacking. Enjoy raw or roasted pumpkin seeds seasoned with your favorite spices. Salads. Sprinkle them over salads for a crunchy texture. Breakfast. Mix pumpkin seeds into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Trail mix. Combine with nuts, dried fruits, and dark chocolate for a healthy snack. Seed butter. Blend into a smooth butter to use as a spread or dip. Potential downsides. Allergic reactions. Rare but possible. Seek medical attention for symptoms like itching or swelling. Digestive issues. Overconsumption may lead to bloating or gas due to high fiber content. Caloric intake. Pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense, so moderation is key. Final thoughts. From boosting heart health to enhancing sleep and supporting bone strength, pumpkin seeds are a nutritional marvel. Incorporate them into your meals to enjoy their myriad benefits. Ready to unlock the potential of pumpkin seeds? Explore more health tips in our videos on weight loss and nutrition. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.